In this video, we present the latest release of Ansible, version 2.17, codenamed Gallows. By the end of this video, you will learn exactly what new features and enhancement has been packed into this release, fundamental for the coming version of Ansible automation platform, how the removal of outdated components can benefit your automation strategies, and why upgrading to this version could be crucial for enhancing the security and efficiency of your IT infrastructure. Get ready to transform your automation capabilities with Ansible 2.17. Imagine automating your entire IT infrastructure with a single tool. Now, with the newest release of Ansible, you can make that reality. Ansible 2.17, codenamed Gallows, is not just an update, it's a revolution in automation. The first release candidate was released on April 29, 2024. This version promises a leap in efficiency and security. Gallows is packed with major enhancement. Say goodbye to Python 2.7 and hello to exclusive Python 3.7 Plus support, ensuring your automation is faster and more secure than ever. Other key features include improved handler execution with a linear strategy, cutting-edge changes to ansible-config, and the introduction of DNF5, the newest package manager, aligning with the latest API standards. Security in automation is paramount. This release addresses crucial vulnerabilities, safeguarding your operation against emerging threats. Your infrastructure stays secure and compliant with features like enhanced templating security and stricter role and collection version control. Evolution means leaving the old behind. This release removes deprecated features like Python 2 support, optimizes performance, and streamlines automation tasks. We have also enhanced ansible-doc and Ansible Galaxy, making them more intuitive and powerful. Ready to upgrade your automation game? Head to the official Ansible documentation to download the Gallows release and view the detailed porting guide. Embrace the future of automation today. Ansible 2.17 is here to transform how you automate, secure, and manage your IT landscape. Don't just automate, innovate with Ansible. Bye!